Welcome to the Auxwall Gym Management application. If you wish to add terms and conditions to the receipt, follow these steps. First, go to the Club section from the dashboard. Next, choose the Terms and Conditions tab. In this window, you'll see a list of all the existing terms and conditions. To create a new term, press the Create New button, enter the term, and press Save. If you wish to update a term, double-click on the term and make the necessary changes. To delete a term, double-click on it and press the Delete icon in the top right corner. Once done, you'll see the updated terms on the receipt print version. Thank you for watching.